are the cast and crew of a very funny upcoming film. This one's called Helmet, and it's Apar Shakti Khurana's first lead. So that's exciting. We have the director, Satram, we have Pranutan Bair, and Abhishek Banerjee. They're all joining us today. Hello and welcome.
Hi,
Hi
Shilpa.
Shilpa.
Thank you,
Hi,
Shilpa.
hi.
Thank you. Pleasure's
Lovely
all ours.
meeting you.
Lovely meeting you guys. Like I was telling you, I was a little worried to watch the Helmet trailer in the cab because I wasn't carrying my earphones. So, what are the reactions like? I want to know to the trailer. It's just out. How are the reactions that are coming?
Rather, Shilpa, I would want to know your reaction because after watching the trailer, I'm sure there was nothing जो आप कैब में नहीं देख सकते या फिर लाउड स्पीकर पे नहीं देख सकते या फिर अपनी फैमिली के साथ नहीं देख सकते. I think and the film is also absolutely like that. We can watch it with the entire family and touch wood. I mean, we've got a great response so far.
But actually, that's exactly what our film talks about, and that's exactly what we want to tell the audience, and we want to tell the people who are going to watch it. Is you can actually put it on maximum loud, whatever जो आपकी volume है, और अपने घर वालों के साथ देखिए. आप जिनके साथ देखना चाहते हैं, आप गाड़ी में देखना चाहते हैं, आप ऑटो रिक्शा में देखना चाहते हैं, यहीं जहां पर भी देखना चाहते हैं, आप देखिए. Because that is the whole purpose of the film. That we need to talk more openly about it. We need to talk more openly about condoms and buying these from the stores, and that is what this film is all about. It's about वो जो शर्म थी, वो जो जिस शर्म से हम लोग इतने सालों से चल रहे हैं, वो शर्म को थोड़ा पीछे छोड़ा है और अब थोड़ा आगे बढ़े.
And also the guilt trip that people are put through to when they purchase a condom. You're like made to feel guilty about it. So yeah.
Absolutely, and that is true. Now I'm wondering maybe I could have watched it in the cab. Yes, he also wants to be a part of the chat. An attention seeker.
Attention seeker. Yeah, I have a cat myself. So
अरे यार, क्या बात है? How cute was that? क्या entry दी है?
Yeah.
आशीष की कमी पूरी कर दी.
Yeah, he's a scene stealer. He cuts everyone's lines also. Huh?
Yeah. Ashish is exactly like that.
Yeah. Poor Ashish who's not here in this chat today. But,
No, he's a scene stealer.
He's a scene stealer. Okay.
तभी हमने बुलाया नहीं उसको. हमें लगा यार he steals the show, so हम कैसे promote करेंगे? सारा टाइम लोग आशीष की बात करते रहेंगे. But having said that, he's a complete sweetheart and totally love him in the film and off it as well. बहुत कमाल की vibe. I think ये जो KMC के
Ashish is back. Ashish is back.
Jumped.
ये KMC के जो actors होते हैं, there's something about them यार. एक वहाँ से आशीष वर्मा भी हैं और अभिषेक बैनर्जी भी वहीं से. So yeah.
Yeah. So Ashish and me are college friends. हम लोग ने साथ में I think बहुत सारे नाटक किए हैं, theater किया है. So it was again a very like how do we put it, like जब college में आप theater करते हैं, साथ में आपके कोई दोस्त होते हैं और मान लीजिए आपने बातों में कभी किया हो कि यार एक दिन हम पिक्चर करेंगे, साथ में एक्टिंग करेंगे. ये होता ही है obviously,
It's amazing.
It was happening. It happened.
मुझे लगता है कि ये बात बोलना एक बात है और वो सच हो जाना एक दूसरी बात है. I think it's so beautiful to be on the stage, as college friends, 10 years back, and उसके बाद आप फिल्म में एक साथ कर रहे हैं. And I think जब कास्टिंग भी हो रही थी सब कुछ, तो सतराम सर से भी ये बात चल रही थी कि the kind of chemistry they already have, it will be seen in the film. क्यों सतराम सर?
और वो दिखी भी है.
Chichore part 2 story. This should be Chichore part 2 ka story. Your real life story from college to now. It sounds very cute, guys. Satram, some inspiration for you there. Now, all of you
created their own space, which is, not we can't compare with any other film. This is a very different space. And I would say from here on, people will definitely take this film as a reference point for their chemistry, for the performance, for their any other thing about the film. I would say that. So,
yeah, very good thing.
Great actors, right? Like Pranutan, Apar, of course, Abhishek. He's been last year. He's had a great year. So they're all such good actors on sets. As a debut director, it must have been, they must have been kind of good having talented actors on the set.
I would say I'm fortunate enough. I'm blessed to work with these guys, and these guys actually, they agreed to work together. I mean, everyone got their energy. I mean, the first thing matters is intentions. Everyone's intentions were right in place. Everyone was positive, excited about the film. Everyone used to talk about the film कि हम लोग को फिल्म को किस तरह से बेटर बनाना है, ना कि हमारे कैरेक्टर को, ना कि हमारा मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है वो क्या. इट इज ओनली अबाउट द फिल्म. सो आई फील पहली फिल्म में ये मिलना बहुत फॉर्चुनेट चीज है. हर किसी को शायद नहीं मिलता होगा, मुझे मिला है. तो मैं मतलब इसके लिए शायद वो प्रोडक्ट भी बाहर आया है जहाँ बहुत people are loving it. So yeah, I'm very fortunate to have these guys.
That's very.
Oh, we are also fortunate to have you, all of us.
Yeah, man.
Like, it's all about loving the film, It's becoming too sweet. And I don't think a film is so sweet. I think it's a funnier film. And you guys are also like funny on sets, right? I'm sure all of you have a great comic sense as well. But do you think there's anybody who was cast against the type or was playing a totally different character, Tatram?
Our writer Rohan.
I don't even know Rohan, but that sounds funny.
No, but Rohan has written the screenplay and dialogues of the film. So I asked him कि एक सीन तेरे को करने का है. वो मेरे को कहाँ करने का? मतलब एक छोटा सा कट है, उसमें आकर तेरे को सीन करना है. मेरे को कहाँ करने का? मेरा तेरे को आके करने का है. So but having said that, उसने बहुत अच्छे से किया. तो उसने राइटर का और एक्टर का रोल निभाया. वो बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें. So वो सब लोग को पहले लग रहा, रोहन को खुद को लग रहा था.
तो हर एक ने इसमें सतराम सर सिंह हर एक ने सतराम सर इसमें मल्टीटास्क भी किया है ना कि मैं और प्रनूतन इसमें एक्टर भी हैं, साथ में हम दोनों लॉयर्स हैं, तो हमने लीगल भी संभाला इस फिल्म का. अभिषेक बैनर्जी एक्टर भी है, साथ में कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर भी है, तो उसने कास्टिंग भी करी इस फिल्म की. तो बहुत मल्टीटास्किंग है हमारा.
Abhishek.
So who's the villain? Who's the
काफी मल्टीटास्किंग.
Everyone seems too good to be true. So either something must be false or there's a villain.
I'll tell you who's the villain in the entire crew.
Who?
Samaj.
No. Apar might hate me for this, but sometimes Apar Paji ke PJs,
Yeah, Shilpa. I'm so fond of PJs. What do I do? मतलब मेरे से कंट्रोल ही नहीं हो पाता है यार, मेरे मुंह से निकल जाता है बस ऐसे.
इसका वही वाला है, वो जो पेट्रोल वाला ऐड वाला बच्चा था ना, तो वही है.
Film like this, I'm sure he was improvising and cracking his own jokes during the scenes. Yeah.
तो वही तो बात चल रही है हमारी. अच्छा,
no,
the challenge
for me with Apar jokes. नहीं, मेरा क्या था, मैं क्या बोलता है, habituated हो चुका हूँ. मतलब अपार के साथ भी बहुत टाइम हो गया, हमने पिक्चरें भी साथ में की. So I am used to it. So मुझे तो कभी कभी होता है ना कि sometimes you don't react, and then after 5 minutes you realize कि oh.
Yeah, that's true.
So ये moments आज भी होते हैं.
So we have changed one thing. So earlier it used to be called like PJs. Now it is called Paji's jokes.
Paji's jokes. It's not poor jokes. It's Paji's jokes.
It's okay. Just patented one.
Absolutely, Shilpa.
But
जैसे आपकी बिंदी है वैसे ही.
Pranutan, did these boys bully you on the set like a gang of boys? Did they all gang up against you?
Never.
Never.
Boys and four cool boys and a hot heat is amazing.
Never.
Actually, I was very well looked after. I must say, I was very pampered. I was always.
प्रनूतन बैठती थी तो 4 लोग उनकी कुर्सी पीछे कर रहे हैं. क्या चाहिए और जिंदगी में क्या कर रहे हैं?
कुछ लोग तो कुर्सी बन जाते थे. मेरे को तो कुर्सी बन जाते थे. हाँ.
I was very well looked after, and actually I was always part of their gang. They never made me feel like, oh, आप separate हो, आप लड़की हो, आप आपसे अलग व्यवहार करेंगे or anything like that. If a joke was cracked, I was equally a part of it, and yeah, I think I also feel funny sometimes that how have we all gotten along so well, touchwood, in such a short period of time, and it was from day one. Like the day we started the readings, we've just really gotten along. तो नहीं, किसी ने मुझे तंग नहीं किया, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
So you said in a short period of time, as in the film was shot over like a short period of time?
Yeah. Because I was finalized, I think 7 days before we were to fly out to Banaras.
Oh.
So yeah, that hardly gives you any time, and then we landed in Banaras, and I think the next day we were shooting. But वही 7 दिनों में मतलब हम लोग ने I think 2-3 बार हम मिले होंगे और इतनी अच्छी ट्यूनिंग बैठी, and it just grew and grew and grew throughout the Banaras schedule, and I think Touchwood even thereafter. I mean, we all still hang out. You know, we actually make plans and meet up, and we've continued our equations beyond the film schedule, which I think
if the
is
film is not a hit, you won't be in touch now.
Of course we will. How is the result of the film got to do anything with our personal
Oh
equation?
God. Oh God.
I'm kidding. There's going to be a WhatsApp group for many years now. You know what you're saying then. All right, you know, you were speaking about Banaras. This film is set in the heartland of India. Now, you know, some people are having small town fatigue. They're like, too many films are being set there. But I think this film is set apart by its storyline, right? Because I don't think this is, you know, contents are something that have been addressed in such a mainstream way so far.
Yeah, that's true. And I think small town fatigue can only hit you when the script doesn't support you or doesn't work for you. I don't think you can blame the location of the film for it not working. It's usually the script or the screenplay. So that I don't know. I don't agree with that. And also, yeah, I mean, it's completely situational. The film, you know, it's not location based. I mean,
I feel, see, India is anyway a country of, you know, like, you know, rural country. It's a rural country. We have, like, you know, these small towns, and that is what India is. And the metro cities are just, you know, there are 4, 5, probably, you know, the 6th one added or something like that. But हमारे देश की कहानियां जो है ना उन छोटे शहरों में, तो जो हम कहानी जब भी कहने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो आई थिंक उन छोटे शहरों तक पहुंचनी बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि बड़ा एक आपको बहुत बड़े लार्जर ऑडियंस से आपको बात करनी है। और इस तरह की फिल्म जो कि ऐसे मुद्दे पे बात करती है जो कि देश की जनसंख्या पे है, यू नो, पॉपुलेशन पे, एंड यू नो व्हाई एज अ कंट्री वी आर सो शाई टू टॉक अबाउट सेक्स, एंड व्हाई इज आर, यू नो, इट्स नॉट, हाउ डू आई पुट इट, कि हमारे बचपन से हमें इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं सिखाया जाता है, घर में हमेशा क्यों इसके बारे में बोला जाता है कि कोई बात नहीं कर सकता या दिख नहीं सकता, यू नो, आई मीन एज इफ आवर पेरेंट्स नेवर यूज condoms, but we never heard it from them, you know. So हमने कभी अपने क्या बोलते हैं, और तो this is how, like, you know, the situation has been, so it has to reach every part of the country, every part of the family.
एंड सिर्फ जितनी भी आप जैसे आपने बोला कि स्मॉल टाउन के बहुत ज्यादा ओवरडोज हो गया यार, इट्स लाइक क्रिकेट, हर कोई बोलता है ओवरडोज हो गया लेकिन हर कोई देख रहा है फिर भी क्रिकेट, यू नो। और उससे क्योंकि वो एक कनेक्ट बना हुआ है, और कनेक्ट नॉर्मली स्मॉल टाउन स्टोरी से ही बन पाता है, वहां के क्वर्क से, वहां के नुआंसेस से, बाकी चीजें। और एंड ऑफ कोर्स एज प्रणूतन सेड, until unless you have a well gripped script, तब तक तो आप कहीं पे भी शूट कर लें, छोटे शहर बड़े शहर फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। But having said that, I think smaller towns, if you have a script in place, make you do a lot more with your character, with your world. And I think when you were also shooting, I think it was amazing. Me as Lucky, you know, Abhishek as Sultan, and Pranutan as Rupali. I think we had a lot more quirks because we were in UP. अगर यही शूट हम बड़े शहर में कर रहे होते, शायद कुछ ऐसे शब्द थे जो हम नहीं यूज कर पाते, जिसकी वजह से क्वर्क निकला। शायद कुछ ऐसी लोकेशंस वहां पे बेटर थी जिसकी वजह से बेटर कलर्स निकल रहे थे।
Yeah, very true.
Another reason you signed this film on as your first lead, is that a reason, or what was the, you know, main reason for you to choose this film? I'm sure you've got many offers, so why did you choose this as your first lead?
Shilpa, first thing first, of course, after Dangal, a lot of things came, but हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई, you know, boxes tick mark नहीं हुए होते थे। इसमें almost सभी boxes tick mark हो गए। First thing, in terms of, you know, having a good concept, a good one-liner, then having a complete proper, you know, well gripped script, then, you know, being attached to a good studio, and you know, having a relevant cast and director and everybody together, and of course the music. So I think हर एक चीज उसमें टिक मार्क हो रही थी। तो जितनी भी चीजें उससे पहले आई, मुझे लगा दिस वाज अ फिल्म जिसको हाँ बोलने मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा था, जिसका ओवरऑल जो मुझे वर्ल्ड लग रहा था, आई थॉट वी कुड do a lot, you know, in this space. And touchwood, I think all of us together, on and off the camera, were always so up tempo and energetic, and we were always, you know, हमेशा ही, I mean, अभी प्रनूतन बात कर रही थी, you know, कि WhatsApp ग्रुप में भी हमेशा कोई ना कोई हलचल चलती रहती है, you know, it is just, we're just always together in it, and having a lot of fun together. So I think वो आपको definitely फिल्म में नजर आएगा कि यार ये सब लोग एक ही जगह के लोग हैं, definitely. You know, you will find that connect, and I think that's one of the main reason that I had to say yes to this film, that, you know, I could feel one with each and every page of it.
और हम चारों के सीन्स में जो केमिस्ट्री है, अभिषेक, अपार, आशीष और मेरे सीन्स में, the four of us also actually लगता है that we are a big gang of friends who've grown up together.
Even from the trailer, I can see that there is definitely a lot of chemistry between all the actors.
Yeah.
It translates on screen as well.
Yeah.
And it's very funny. I completely agree. Yeah, I completely agree with all of you.
Yeah.
Now, you've made a film called Helmet. It is about condoms. Censorship ki baat to honi hai. So was there any censorship, Satram? Was there any censorship issues?
डेफिनेटली हम लोग को कभी ये थॉट भी नहीं आया कि शायद हम लोग कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं रहे हैं जो हमें सेंसरशिप का कोई डर हो. तो जब सेंसर में भी फिल्म गई तो सरप्राइजिंगली हमें बहुत अच्छा रिएक्शन मिला कि उन्होंने फिल्म समझी और उन्होंने एक बात बोली कि ऐसी फिल्म हम चाहेंगे कि सब लोग देखें. इट काइंड ऑफ सेज अ लॉट अबाउट द सिचुएशन इन इंडिया. So they were,
वो तो बल्कि सतराम सर आप मुझे बता रहे थे हर तरीके का मतलब बहुत ही क्लीन उनको लगी. और आई थिंक पहले ही सतराम सर ने और रोहन ने वो चीज देख ली थी कि यार वी नीड टू फाइंड दैट गैप जहां पर ना ही ये वल्गर बने लेकिन बात कम्युनिकेट भी हो जाए और ना ही प्रीची हो, गेट एंटरटेनिंग हो. और जब भी दिखाने गए थे सेंसर को जो वहां पे अथॉरिटीज बैठे हुए थे वो तो बहुत ज्यादा खुश थे फिल्म देखकर. नंबर 1, नो कट्स एट ऑल. नंबर 2, नंबर 3, दे वर रादर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सरकार की तरफ से भी हेल्प मिलनी चाहिए ऐसी चीजों को. दिस दैट एंड द अदर कितनी सारी उन्होंने बातें सतराम सर को एज डायरेक्टर बोला.
करेक्ट.
और हंसते दे वर लाफिंग थ्रू आउट.
लार्जर ऑडियंस तक फिल्म जानी चाहिए. उनका तो ये पर्सपेक्टिव था बिकॉज दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट रियल इशू इन इंडिया. सो मेरा हमेशा ये आता है कि जब हम कॉन्डम की फिल्म ये टैग लगाते हैं तो मेरा हमेशा एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन जाता है कि क्या कॉन्डम खराब चीज है? उसके बारे में तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कॉन्डम बना किस लिए? प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. कॉन्डम किससे प्रोटेक्ट किससे कर रहा है? हमारे को डिजीज से कर रहा है, जनसंख्या से कर रहा है, कितनी और चीजों से कर रहा है. तो वो खराब चीज कैसे हुई?
Absolutely.
And Shilpa, imagine यार in today's day and age यार हम सब बहुत अलग जनरेशन के लोग हैं अब. हम कहीं 40s 50s में नहीं है. बहुत I mean it's amazing to see that. I mean weirdly amazing to see that how even in today's day and age we get awkward to go and buy a pack of condoms, and in one of the interviews,
right? Absolutely.
Yes.
Even though
so and I think that's what the film talks about. I think we will try to break that touchwood with our film. And इससे पहले जो हमारा इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, this is the first time actually we asked Pranutan that कि क्या आपका जो gang of girls है, I mean normally it's considered to be a boy's thing to go and ask for a pack of condoms to the chemist store. तो मतलब गर्ल्स ने तो मांगा ही नहीं है जाके. I mean बहुत ही कम गर्ल्स हैं जिन्होंने जाके मांगा है. So and you'll be shocked to know that only 5.26% of Indian men use condoms. That's today's as per
to 6%.
That's the number as per today. So imagine यार इतनी एक drastic ये number है which will I'm shocked through my bones when I got these numbers.
God. Even I'm very shocked. I'm glad you made this film now. At least that percentage, if we can push it by a little bit and we can put the load on Mother Earth of population a little less, it would be great. And you're absolutely right.
Absolutely. As I said, I'm totally shocked through my bones to know this number, and we are hoping that after this film, this will only go up.
And sometimes what happens is before you do the film, you don't really know about the topic in depth. But once you're a part of the film, once you're living those characters, and once you're seeing how actually people are also reacting to certain scenes and everything, how probably the local actors are reacting to a particular scene, or how the neighborhood is reacting to a particular condom scene, you see that for them it's a big thing that it's out in the open. So that's the point of the film, that it has to be out in the open. Helmet utaro, that's the thing, like this. Take off your helmets and go and ask for whatever you want to ask for.
And I also feel that, as Abhishek said, that when you sign on a film, you like the script, you get into it. But honestly, I have understood the gravity of the situation through shooting it.
Absolutely.
And I would say even after that, we approach it.
Once we saw the film together.
Yeah. I mean, we approach it unfortunately as actors, so it's a little superficial. We're more concerned with our part of it. But when you really see Helmet as a film, I think it's beautiful, like what it conveys in the best possible light-hearted way. I've realized the gravity of what it's trying to convey much later. And hats off to Satram sir and Rohan sir for having that vision. You know,
Yeah,
absolutely. And Shilpa, you need to also, and Shilpa, Shilpa, you also need to understand that हमारे देश में आज की डेट में जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, from corruption to poverty to lack of medical or otherwise infrastructure, general infrastructure, कोई भी चीज है हमारे, अगर हमारे यहाँ पे मैं कह रहा हूँ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, कोई भी है, हर एक चीज का जो बेसिक जो प्रॉब्लम है वो पॉपुलेशन है.
Absolutely.
मैं कह रहा हूँ इतने लोग, ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि हम इतना बड़ा मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा कर सकें. ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि हम इतनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट कर सकें. कैसे करेंगे? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो हेंस तो which makes me believe that कि अगर हम इसको कंट्रोल कर लेंगे शायद कुछ ठीक कर पाए. So yeah, I mean that's little effort from our side, and we hope that people connect with the film. And I think Abhishek, me, Pranutan, Ashish, touchwood, जब हम ये बातें बोलते हैं screen पे, it doesn't sound preachy. It sounds fun. It sounds logical. I think that's my takeaway from the film after watching it. And we are hoping that on 3rd of September, when people watch it on ZEE5, they'll also have the same mindset.
You know, honestly, when I found out that this film is about condoms, I said, you know, my mom and dad will watch this interview. And then later I told you, you know, I didn't want to watch this trailer in the cab. But, you know, having spoken to you, I really think it is time that we speak about it. And we speak about the taboo around it as well. You know, until we start talking about it, you know, there's no breaking it. So
thank you, Seamus. Thank you so much for saying that. If this interview can do this to you, I hope film can do even better.
Absolutely. Yeah. And you know, even if it changes one person, I'm sure it's going to impact more people than that. You know, it's worth it. So thank you all for making a film.
Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much.
Bye.
You know,
bye.
What's the film on?
Watch the film.
I will. I'm looking forward to it. And I request everyone to watch the trailer, watch it with their volumes on, without headphones, so that
love you.
Yes.
Love you, Shilpa. Thank
Totally.
you so much.
Totally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.